Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Pooja and today we are going to do 6 asanas to boost our immunity system. We come to yoga for countless reasons: stress relief, increased flexibility, mobility, strength, for spiritual connection, connection to ourselves, and recalming our bodies. Ultimately, we come to yoga for resilience both inside and out. Yoga for immunity is a thing. A consistent yoga practice, along with certain poses in particular, can support and boost the immune system. So let's get started with our first asana, which is the child pose, Balasana. Sit on your heels, keeping your hips on the heels, bend forward and lower your forehead to the floor. Keep the arms alongside your body with hands on the floor, palms facing up. If this is not comfortable, you can place one fist on top of another and rest your forehead on them. Gently press your chest on the thighs. Hold here for few breaths. Take inhale and exhale through your nose. Slowly come up to sit on the heels and relax. Balasana is an excellent pose to decongest the chest and relax the mind. Now the second asana is the bridge pose, Setu Bandha Sarvang Asana. Let's get started. Lie down on your back with your feet hip-width distance apart. Bend your knees and place your hands by your side. Breathe in, press your feet into the ground and gently lift your hips, rolling the spine off the floor. Press your arms and shoulders on the ground. Lengthen your tailbone and lift your chest. You can clasp your hands behind your back and stay here for few breaths. And when you are ready, you can gently come out from this pose. The benefit of this pose, it opens the heart and improves blood circulation, increasing energy in the body. Now the third asana is locust pose, Salabh Asana. Let's get started. Lie flat on the stomach and stretch your arms out ahead. Keep your knees straight and your feet together. Lift your legs and arms up together. Now lift your head up and raise your chest off the floor as much as possible. Hold this posture for a few seconds. Keep breathing in and out through your nose. Gently release from the posture. When practicing yoga to boost immunity, this is one yoga asana that may help strengthen the spine, lower back, hip joints, arms, legs, and pelvic organs as well. It offers relief from constant backache and is one of the widely used yoga poses for immunity. It improves blood flow to the spinal area and applies enough pressure on the abdomen too. Now the fourth asana is Anjani Asana, low lunge pose. Let's get started. Stand straight, place your left leg back, drop your knee and extend your toes out. Make sure your right knee is aligned with the right ankle. Push your pelvis down and raise your arms overhead. Now bend your upper body backward and try to form an arc. Stay here for few breaths. Some of the best yoga poses for immunity are the ones that work both on your body and on your mind. One such yoga asana is the Anjani Asana. It is a powerful yoga asana as it helps improve balance and has a positive effect on your knees as well. Since it is widely used to relieve tension in your joint, it proves the notion that practicing yoga for immunity is extremely beneficial. Now the fifth asana is the Dhanu Asana, bow pose. Let's get started. Lie down on your stomach. Now bend your knees and hold the ankles with your palms. Maintain a strong grip and lift your legs and arms as high as you can. Look upwards and hold the posture for as long as you can. Keep breathing in and out through your nose. And gently release the posture. When one talk about practicing yoga for immunity, this is one yoga asana that helps boost the immune system. It acts as an ideal stress buster as it helps improve the flow of white blood cells by applying pressure on the digestive system. Practicing the Dhanu asana puts pressure on your belly, which in turn helps strengthen the digestive system. Also, it is one of the best yoga poses for the immune system. Now the sixth asana is fish pose, Matsya asana. Let's get started. Lie on your back, your feet are together and hands relax alongside the body. Place the hands underneath the hips, palms facing down. Bring the elbows closer toward each other. Breathing in, lift the head and chest up. Keeping the chest elevated, lower the head backward and touch the top of the head to the floor. With the head lightly touching the floor, press the elbows firmly into the ground, placing the weight on the elbow and not on the head. Lift your chest up from in between the shoulder blades. Press the thighs and legs to the floor. Hold the pose for as long as you comfortably can, taking gentle long breath in and out. Relax in the posture with every exhalation. Now lift the head up, lowering the chest and head to the floor. Bring the hands back along the sides of the body and relax. Another effective yoga asanas to increase immunity is the fish pose. This yoga pose is widely considered to be the destroyer of all diseases. As you practice yoga to boost immunity, this yoga asana offers various benefits for the immune system. Also, it may offer relief from fatigue and is one of the ideal yoga asana to increase immunity and metabolism as well. Now let's close our practice with the chant of Om one time. Let's sit comfortably. You can cross your leg. You can take half lotus pose or full lotus pose. Take Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Take deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you so much for showing up. Hope you have enjoyed this class and my video. See you next time. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Namaste. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like, comment below and of course subscribe to my channel so you can receive more of my yoga, meditation and health tips. You can also connect with me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are down below. Let's spread love and light beyond infinity.